How to find location settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find location settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down, and here you will find this one, location, in permissions category. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage permission, location category, location settings, sorry. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.